Elsenburg is 'n baie lekker plek. Vra maar vir die HK wat hier voorsit. Jy sien hulle lag aan mekaar. Nee, hulle smile net. Dis 'n baie lekker plek. Jy weet, en ons hou daarvan om soveel as moontlik studente hier te hê. Daarom is ons vol. Ons wil elkeen wat wil leer in die landbou 'n geleentheid gee om dit te kan doen. Maar ons het ook ons beperkings. So to all first year students, I would like to say, I hope that you have registered here as a student with a dream. It doesn't serve any purpose if only the parent has a dream for his or her child, and you as student does not have a dream for yourself. We as staff of this institution will try our very best to assist you to realize that dream. But it's for you to have that dream and to do the best you can to realize that dream in the shortest possible time. Because agriculture and the country needs skilled and knowledgeable people like you.
What I see is I don't see first-year students. I see people working in agriculture and making sure when I retire, there's food in this country, so I can actually have food sitting on the stoop. Retiring thinking I have done what I could do. I see all of you as potential agriculturalists, whether it's in government, whether it's on a farm, whether it's in an organization. I see the investment of 18 years. I see my future in this room.
Maar julle betree in landbou en tydperk waar die beroepe wat julle gaan beklee dalk nog nie eers 'n naam het. En dit gaan so elke jaar gaan dit so verander. Nuwe tegnologiese deurbrake gaan julle wêreld op sy kop draai. Wees verseker daarvan. Landbou soos ons vandag, soos hy gaan wees oor 10 jaar, kan ons amper moeilik droom. U gaan moet aanpasbaar wees, u gaan moet oopkop wees, maar u sal moet sorg dat u nie agterraak met die tegnologiese ontwikkeling wat daar gaan wees nie.